Okay, inside a leaky basement, okay. I took a short video of the outside. Here's an interior basement drainage bullshit system. And beams, 2-3 beams on each wall. There's their stupid little cleanup. Ooh, isn't that fancy? Wow, isn't that nice? Here's their stupid little flange shed covering the bottom blocks all the way around. All the way around. There's a corner crack back here. Can't see it because, you know, there's a shower in there. Same thing here. They just patched this sucker. Just patched it, yeah. But you can see the floor, perimeter of the floor has been torn up. And again, they got all this weak, sorry, cheap shit against the wall to hide mold. Likely some disintegrating blocks. Yep, got to do it on the outside, baby. Got a long horizontal crack, mid-range. Step crack here. There's a corner crack here on the outside. That's their old gas line. What are you talking about? And over here, same thing. So none of this relieved the weight, the pressure, soil pressure against the wall. There's also trees on the outside in the backyard. So the roots probably caused some of that on the back anyway. And they didn't stop the water from coming in because there's our exterior cracks. Oh!